Before we fill a biocomposter, we handle basic maintenance. The 3 units in this video needed their geotextile lining replaced. I will not cover building a biocomposter from scratch here. This episode focuses on the material mix and the filling process. We will combine browns, greens, cow manure and horse manure with wood chips. Then layer the mix into the cylinder. If you want to see how we harvest finished compost, check the recent video linked in the description. Let's get started. First, I'll set up these 3 biocomposters. Each unit holds 1178 liters of volume space. It's a bit windy today and we are close to a main road, so you may hear traffic and occasional horn sounds. I'm fitting the air tube in the center and cupping it with a bucket before we start loading. The cup prevents spillage into the tube. The tube maintains vertical airflow, reduces odors, and keeps the whole biocomposter aerobic. I start by mixing what I call the compost lasagna. One standard set is 1 bin of greens and 4 bins of browns. Then 0.5 wheelbarrow of cow manure and 1 bag of horse manure with wood chips. We repeat this set 4 times to fill a single biocomposter to the top and keep a healthy carbon to nitrogen balance. All of this begins with collection. Our browns are mostly the dry mango leaves that fall in Dito's garden, and our greens come from tree pruning here and fresh acacia cuttings from the neighborhood. I sometimes also use shredded paper in bulk, like several bags, along with torn cardboard. These are part of the browns. I avoid glossy or plastic coated paper and remove any tape. These are different views of the completed lasagna mix. Next, we begin the loading. The heavy lift with a biocomposter is gathering materials, mixing and filling. Once it is full, upkeep is minimal. We only water as needed and we do not turn it because the system stays aerobic. Building the lasagna and loading one biocomposter to the top typically takes a full working day for 2 people. Doing it with a colleague is ideal. I have completed it alone too, with music in the background since it is repetitive. With a teammate, progress is much faster. Let's check progress. We are about half full. Nearly done. The lasagna pile on the ground has almost disappeared as we load it into the biocomposter. We will repeat this process 2 more times to fill all 3 units to the top. Thanks for watching. We will harvest this compost in 3 to 6 months. To see how we harvest a biocomposter, watch the other video linked in the description.